Nikita, yaar, sometimes I really want to eat an indulgent dessert but not want to wait in the kitchen for 2 hours.
No, Vidhi, sometimes for good things, you really have to wait a little longer.
But what if I tell you that you can make a quick, easy dessert with a lot of downtime?
I'd say you're making my dreams come true.
That's my plan.
Listen, but don't mess with me, huh? Dessert is serious business.
Let just the food do the talking, okay?
Alright.
I told you I'm gonna make your dreams come true.
Hi, खुशी के आंसू आ गए.
Abhi nahi. So let's make Nikita's fantasy come alive. I'm going to introduce you to a very special friend of mine from the east that you may be familiar with, called the Bhapa Doi. It's a sweet and steamed dahi.
Steamed and dahi, I'm already invested.
And I know that you would have given that reaction, so let's quickly get to making it. For this recipe, I'm going to use 3/4 cup of hung curd that I've made from Dreamery thick and creamy dahi. Along with it, I'm also going to add some fresh cream and condensed milk. Okay, so let's quickly whisk this into a thick consistency. It should be somewhat like an idli batter.
In the meanwhile, while Vidhi is whisking it, I'm going to tell you why dahi actually works for me. One of the main reasons, it's really rich in calcium, a great source of protein, and it being a probiotic.
It's good for your gut.
Wow, somebody is learning.
I'm learning from the best, yeah.
For sure.
So let's move on. Now we're going to add a little bit of cardamom powder for that nice spice taste.
Spice always adds such a great mix to it.
It does. The elaichi is incorporated as well. Now I'm going to divide it into 2 separate bowls and then we'll add mango pulp to one.
Oh wow, I didn't know you're going to add the mango to this mix.
It's going to taste fabulous.
That sounds interesting.
So let's quickly make the mango pulp. We have some chopped mangoes. I'm going to add it here. Isn't it going to give a healthy kick to our recipe?
Firstly, the color looks fabulous and it's such a great mix of vitamins and minerals, and it's one of the best sources of fiber as well.
Okay, this is done. Okay, this looks pretty good. I'll just quickly mix it in
Oh
this
my
batter.
god, the orange color, it's one of my favorite colors.
I know, that's why I decided to add mango to this.
Really?
Yes. Just for my special friend. Okay, do you want to whisk this for me, please, while I keep this?
The color is
color
turning
looks really
out
nice,
really
yeah.
good, right?
I just don't want like the
Lumps to be.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's ready. Yes. Okay. Now that both our batters are done, in true Desi fashion, we're going to add them to kulhards, but you can even use ramekins if you have them at home.
Honestly, this mitti ki khushboo and the creamy dahi, what a combination is going to turn out to be.
Just wait till you try it. Just going to pour the other one as well. So now you can do this with whatever fruits you like. If you have any fruit pulp, you
Alright.
can add it to the doi and then you can steam it with it.
Any from like bananas, apples work?
Not apples, but anything that's creamier.
Anything that's creamy.
Yeah, you
work.
could
Bananas
use berries.
works and
Yeah,
berries.
works. You can use berries as well. You can use strawberries, blueberries, mulberries.
Oh, lovely.
I love eating it with mulberries.
The color also will turn out
Yeah.
fabulous due to that.
Purple.
Yeah. Wow.
So do you know you can take strawberry pulp and add it the same way we did with the mango?
That sounds fun. I'm definitely going to do that. I love the pink color that it turns out into.
It really does look nice. I tried it with mulberries and it became all purple and it was amazing.
That's going to be fun.
Such a
I'll do
great
that
color.
next time.
Now that this is done, I'm going to quickly grab our baking tray, place the kulhards in it. Nikita, can you please pour some water in this? I need it to be filled around halfway. Thank you. So now I'm just going to tell you all that I am steaming this in the oven, in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for about 20 minutes. But if you want, you can even steam them just like idli on a stovetop or even in a microwave. Anything works.
Is the water enough or should I
just
pour
more?
A
I
little
think
more?
halfway till the casserole's filled. Okay, that's fine. And now we're going to cover this with the foil. This helps with the steaming process.
Can I help you with that?
Yes, please. Just make it tight and nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Our oven is hot enough, so we're just going to put this in the oven. And wait for 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Are you kidding me? Now what are we going to be doing for 20 minutes?
Do you want to dance?
Let's do it. And we are back.
We're back with a bang.
Ooh, this is looking so good. I'm so excited. I literally have goosebumps.
Be cool, Baba, be cool. Just like me and just like this dough has to be. We have to first cool it down to room temperature and then we're going to refrigerate it for 20 minutes.
Another 20 minutes more.
Sabr ka phal meetha hota hai, literally in this case. Looks like this is done now. We're just going to garnish it with some dry fruits. We have some pista, badam, walnuts, whatever you feel like.
Wow.
Here's your dream come true.
I'm finally at peace now. This is everything what I hope for and more. The texture of a pudding and the sweet aroma, perfect.
I want to say I told you so, but I'm just going to refrain from doing that because it's not just me, it's also Dreamery Dahi.
So in the meanwhile, while we dig in, y'all don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Oh my god, this is so good.
I know, right? So yummy.
I think I'm going to eat the whole thing.